Today we're going to be doing a screen and recoat. I wanted to go into a little bit of detail about what it is, why you should have one, when you need one. We're working on some scratches. We're going to do a little bit of color restoration. There's some color missing here and there. And so when you're getting ready to list, great time to do it. If you just purchased a home that needs it, great time. Rental turnover, or even if you're living in the home, homeowner that wants to preserve the floor they have. It's very expensive to replace these floors. Maybe it would be $18,000, $20,000. So preserving them is a great option. So we're gonna start out by cleaning them, deep cleaning, better than you can do with a mop. And we're gonna do some color restoration. Then we're gonna apply a coat of commercial finish. This is heavy duty commercial finish, and it should last a very long time. So here's what we're gonna start with. We'll get a look afterwards.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit.
Okay, here is the floor after the first of two cleaning processes. If we were going to just clean it and walk away, or if we were removing wax, we do remove wax. If you're using that rejuvenation stuff, that builds a heavy wax up. But here we're going to buff it, abrade it, because we're going to actually do a maintenance coat to make sure that the clear coat layer adheres very well. So right now I'm going to abrade it and do the color, try to do some color work there, and then we'll top coat it. Here's the floor after color treatment. We did the cleaning, color treatment. Now we're going to go ahead and start the coating. This is freshly coated. This is not. It will not remain shiny. It will dry to a satin finish, matte finish, stuff like this. But you can see all the area we did all that color work. And now this will be ready to be listed. Because we put on a commercial water base, this could actually be walked on in about 3 hours light duty. So in the next day you could pretty much walk on it regular duty, so it's worth it. Here's the finished result. Looks good. Solved a lot of problems. So that's kind of the cleaning recoat process. Doesn't make things perfect, it makes things a ton better. It's affordable, it's a one-day process. Let me know if you need the service.